You can uninstall an app from your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G in two ways. The first method is simply finding that app in the app drawer. So find that app that you want to uninstall, for example this one, and then you want to press and hold on it and then simply select uninstall. Or the second option is simply long pressing and to reveal this menu and select app info, and it's going to take you to the app information page where you can tap on uninstall. Now you can also get to this point by simply going into settings, and then under settings you want to scroll down all the way to apps and then select app management, find the app that you want to uninstall, and it will land you on the same page. Either way, you'll be able to uninstall your app. So let's uninstall. Simply tap on uninstall, confirm you want to uninstall the app, and that particular app is going to be uninstalled from your phone just like that. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Questions and comments down below. Take care and God bless.